Ebusuamu akwaba fa braga na nsem TV eso edi am so any promise the blogger. Inyo be ma be the nsem bia to jo say president na otim tolerate iniema pa en fa de obe bia no onkasa and I know dan kwa kufuado and Dr. Mahmoud Baomi aban ya twa mu no o say omo tolerate bibia no mo pese oman no e yo oman obi abetimi akanadu nsem ode to dwa no emodu na yankwa ntie nsem ode to dwa ne ba ewi a na ye so atwetwe ho enkomo
Ilala. Then I say Akufo-Addo. The tolerance of Akufo-Addo Baumia, the tolerance nature of Akufo-Addo and Baumia is top notch. I am telling you. The tolerance nature of Akufo-Addo and Baumia and the MPP at large is top notch. What kind of words haven't you used on Akufo-Addo and Baumia? I can't remember Akufo-Addo Baumia arresting somebody just simply because of comments. I can't remember. Akufo-Addo said he preferred a loud and noisy media than, he said he preferred loud and noisy media than autocratic system of government. That's what Akufo-Addo said. So that means you can say whatever you want to say on him. He doesn't care. In as much as we are practicing democracy. But the NDC cannot tolerate that. Cannot tolerate that. Yet the NPP wants to trust the NDC. I can't get it. We were here in Ghana when Sammy Jemfi went on his demonstration and started chanting, Kumnana Domaye, Kumnana Domaye. You see, we were here in Ghana. This is the video. This is the video. Listen to Sammy Jemfi here. So you see, because you want power, and you are calling on God to kill Akufo-Addo and Baumia for you. So Akufo-Addo should die. You think if Akufo-Addo dies, you will come to power automatic? For them, if someone should die for them to come to power, they don't care. But yet, no single arrest were made. Akufo-Addo did not arrest Sammy Jemfi. Akufo-Addo did not arrest a single member in that demonstration. Not a single person was arrested here. That shows the tolerance nature of Akufo-Addo and the MPP government. That shows the tolerance nature of Akufo-Addo and MPP government. This is not enough. Look at the other video. See here, Felix Kwachi.
A detailed report which they back with medical records showing that the flag bearer of the new patriotic party, Akufo-Addo, is suffering from 3 serious ailments: prostate cancer, what they call acute kidney injury, and a blockage in his coronary artery. A detailed report which they back with medical records showing that the flag bearer of the new patriotic party, Akufo-Addo, is suffering from 3 serious ailments: prostate cancer, what they call acute kidney injury, and a blockage in his coronary artery.
So you see, this is when Akufo-Addo was the candidate for MPP. Even as candidates for MPP, Akufo-Addo did not arrest Felix Kwachi. Akufo-Addo did not arrest Felix Kwachi. Akufo-Addo did not sue Felix Kwachi. Akufo-Addo, he did not sue Felix Kwachi. You see, all these kind of ill, you see, look at that. That's the serious ailments that he was ascribing for Akufo-Addo. He was categoric that there are evidences that shows that Akufo-Addo is suffering from those illness. Today, you've seen Akufo-Addo at the funeral ground, right? 81 and still counting. Felix Kwachi, by Felix Kwachi's medical reports, Akufo-Addo would have been dead by now, long time ago. Akufo-Addo by now should have rotten in his grave by Felix Kwachi's assessment, by Felix Kwachi's medical report. All in the name of what? Power. All in the name of what? Power. NDC for you. All in the name of power. They don't care. They don't care. Just only for them to come to power. That's it. And I won't be surprised, I'm repeating it, if NPP will trust NDC in politics. Listen to these people again. Listen to them. Listen to them.
Nana Akufo-Addo abai. The more they try to prove to Ghana for so many nyansam, the more na no man kasa expose to be almost stupidity. And the Ghana for. And they be American na me say, mini pa Jimmy for, Miss Roni Chabodam ni. Bonam ni dear, Una no so about Amon Kofan Yonko, winning in Tun Sanity. But Jimmy for, Ubetini now, Ubetimada Cateso, one and by two said this new Jimmy. Neni. And yet, Drew Nana the Danko Akufo-Addo say, when Minyansa pa, Jimmy, it is all time. And to another by dear.
Messy, Maka, as some way, it will be like a prophecy. Me, Okumangra Makasa, Messy, baby, a dear Bidanko, the one and another be woo. When I make catch them.
Because at his age, in the natural order of things, if everybody is doing according to his age, he has a shorter time.
Who said we are not going to take care of Akufo-Addo? Last but not catch them. We say Akufo-Addo be on body to Obian Kuno or not within 6 months or more. The body be Kuno. We can't afford to lose more. There was so many way you say. I was saying sure Akufo-Addo ne bawomia. The exit way. Now you're the president Akufo-Addo could in a court. You didn't some. Nane Akufo-Addo, obey Yare Obu. Obian body to Bonnie Akufo-Addo etino, ebe kuno.
Akufo-Addo the overbore mine no. Also buy some amount for can you be VSHS not never be out there bear bar. Walk in our boy. I just like local senior high schools in one chronicle school free. Or school free. Wow, free baby.
You see, okay. Oh, you see how speechless he was? Was he free HSS no boy? When the guy told him that, oh, we didn't call him school, then he paused, he became speechless. After he was saying that, now he's saying that free Bebrebenu. And yet, who told you? You see how diabolic, how demonic people are. You see their nature. This an elderly man, but bamutumfa. Yeke wana magana no. An elderly man, but bamutum yeke wana magana na. In the name of what? Politics. In the name of what? Politics. You see that guy who told you see his comments? He was talking like as like a father to Akufo-Addo. Even if you were Akufo-Addo's father, you would accord him respect for being your son when talking to him. I wonder if that is the way they even talk to their children in their various homes. But you see the way they are talking to Akufo-Addo, the way they are talking to Akufo-Addo in Bawumia, without an iota of respect, there's nothing. What baffles me.
Ebusuya bama wakwa ba biom esande abagana nsem TV eso. Me say posterity will be kind to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Dr. Alhaji Mahamadou Bawumia. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo aban ne ba ya oma democracy ani nim say democracy no eye adwuma. Na journalists, bloggers, any influencers bitimetna media so radio, TV station so eka no mbeka biya de kire Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia aban nanso no on country mfanche omo. Obeka ya during Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo amambuo mu ena school nkola bia na omko school ewe srem ekwe video bia na omudidi eye Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo atem sebi ensama mo kan no yensama mu odu a me no ena mse titi mo fie na me ya kan ni ba ya titi me yie ni nteni me ntimi nka sansem ni nteni no me ntimi bia ma no enka na so sansem nyina no amo kan ye e ma obeka akra na mso ma sa school na omko no authority to mo school nim no e suspend sa eye ma ba wo ya omko de sa nyabra asem ya omka ensama ensem fata na omutimi pon kan kire ompapa mu a omuti omufie mu na ombeka kire omampanyini a na wotimi de education aba ma na free amo na nkomo kobi no ombeka kire no enam so e ma Ghana ha no mapa bebre ene mkofo bebre e kan say steps at school na take no very very good say omutimi I take very good steps say nkola omumbu ade no omutimi edidi president atemaka sansem ya we e de a president there you suspend your mom na any school authorities no e ya adwin endi nenu eni na nansa na Ghana man panyini dada Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo samre no Ghana man panyini no e be kan say ono de o ya man panyini a ogidi e wo kebima minka bi amambuo mu eno nti nkola no ofa ne say omunim de omoye ezi panyini wo we no odue matemante eno nti no ofa ne say wate nanso wante eno nti no e be ya nkola no omunja omo na omo nkonko to omo school so na so special na to omo so no omo inform so no nkonko to omo school no nkonko sua de we ebe ya de magana for because na papa you good pound because you do attempt say what you almost say omo nkonko sua omo de that was one of the things that Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as the president of the Republic of Ghana oya ya mikaya na meni ejipa. It tells you that he's a statesman. He believes in democracy and he believes, say, Omai no, and yet we no mind. And your autocracy, and your Maya Okasa, no be the police, soldier, and the national security, air threats, on your mom no, and your Maya, Timemunino, Etimichena dream, while Sama Okano, ain't the constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Amambo Mona, near journalists, be on Timuka radio so, it didn't attempt this sebi. The nipple, Drianis and the young possible on a tea crown. Ekasa di tia no na we nyina achi wan kahwe ankyerɛ mo enya akwabi kwasampanyi Jimmy phobia fɛn sɛ bulldog ma ɔyɛ no nsa abo a ye yi na free nso ohie mu a ne ho nane nanso no nim nyansa ma ne bɛka nsɛmfun nanso Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo anya ne hwe. The lives of MPs, former government appointees and normal government omunya government appointees nyina. The lives of Sami Jemfi, Basentale mu, nyina be kan sem de fa Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo mo bo di do amatem kan sem nu de kire omo. Dan so no wanja omo hwe. That should tell you the man Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo nipa na oye. Adwempo a na owo. Anything na o si dwen oman no. This is Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And he's the man. Me de na me nimpa say enche bia Ghana for be hu say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was the best president of the Republic of Ghana, but na me nim say be entem say 8 months Ghana for no mo so mato abama the NDC, National Demonic Congress, aka Abonsamfo Party. Eyezu no waje so say eyaza haya Ghana Nsem TV. Ya so nyam to boase na utie